Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you, everybody? I hope we are fine, alhamdulillah. And now I would like to introduce in our English speaking center. That name is English Message Center. This is located at Jagadishpur. So English Message Center is very helpful to we are learning to English. So I'm very happy in joining this English Message Center. This English Message Center is our teacher. His name is Mr. Khaled Mahmoud Sir, and our teacher also have Mahmoud Sir and another Lemon Sir also. There are three teachers actually very kindness and very and his teaching is very helpful. So we are very happy and we are proudful for our teacher. Today we are learning more English translation and English speaking. Actually, I am a beginner and learning English. Like as I am a student, so any mistake, forgive me. Thank you, sir, and thank you, everybody.
Okay, clap for him.